the spark plug, see if it has any gas on it, or if it smells like gas. It's definitely not soaking wet. And it's smelling like gas for sure. So we're good on that. Let's pull the air filter and see what that looks like actually. It's also very likely that there's a vacuum leak. Where is that vacuum leak though? May very well be right up here. That's what the air filter looks like. Okay. Yep, I mean decent spark. Compression's good, spark is good, air is good. So the next step is to figure out exactly where the oil is leaking from. So I have this UV dye. It does glow in a UV light. So what I'm going to do next is to add this to the oil. It's going to be about 1/5 of an ounce according to the instructions per quart. I'll start it and I'll test ride it, and then we'll see where the oil is leaking from. The goal of the test is to figure out whether it's leaking from the bottom end or just from the top end. If it's leaking from the bottom end, I'll rebuild it. I'm going to take off this plate right here just to see the bottom end a little bit better. There we go. This whole bottle is an ounce, so there's probably about half an ounce in there, so I'm going to put half of what's in the bottle in there now, just to be sure. Alright, I'm going to run the bike, ride it, and then we'll check it. We're going to go ahead and look for leaks. So that's what it's supposed to glow like. bright green. Really not seeing a whole lot. Oh, there's a lot right there. So it goes from the chain tensioner. Just leaks all over the place here. The head gasket is not really leaking that much. It's mostly the chain tensioner. Okay. I don't know if there's no gasket there or what's going on. Not seeing any leaks from the bottom end so far, but we'll check it in a couple hours. Obviously there's a little bit right there, right around the filler cap. See if there's any oil up in the exhaust. There's a little bit, I think.